How to add timecode overlay in Kdenlive. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and load the video clip where you want to add the timecode overlay. Drag the clip onto the timeline. Next, go to the effects panel and search for the timer effect. Drag and drop the timer effect onto your clip in the timeline. Now in the effect stack, customize the timer settings. You can set the position of the timer on the screen, top left, center, top right, bottom left, bottom center, or bottom right. Adjust the font size, color, and opacity to make the timer clear but not distracting. You can also set the start time and format of the timer depending on whether you want it to count up or down. Preview your video to ensure the timer appears correctly and matches your desired style. Now you know how to add the timecode overlay in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.